Kavita started a YouTube channel about home cooking almost as an afterthought. When she excitedly showed Sanjay her first 100 subscribers,
It's a nice little hobby.
he barely looked up, calling it an. She kept posting anyway, twice a week without fail, refining her lighting and pacing through trial and error late at night, long after the house had gone completely quiet around her.
Sanjay noticed the extra screen time more than the actual content, occasionally commenting that she should focus on things that actually mattered for the family instead of her videos.
Her subscriber count crossed 10,000, then 50,000, numbers Sanjay never bothered checking. Never making it a topic of dinner conversation, he seemed uninterested in any way.
Then, without warning, Sanjay's company announced sudden layoffs, and his name was on the list. 15 years at the same job, gone, over the course of one single afternoon email. He came home in a kind of panic Kavita had never seen from him before, immediately worried about EMIs, school fees, and exactly how long their savings would realistically last them now.
Kavita sat him down and quietly opened her laptop. Instead of offering come first, showing him her channel's dashboard, her sponsorship contract, and the separate account that had been growing steadily for over a year.
Stunned, Sanjay realized her monthly channel earnings alone could comfortably cover their household for months while he figured out his next step, entirely from what he'd once dismissed as a nice little hobby. For the first time, he actually watched her videos properly, studying not just the recipes but the entire structure, her hooks, her editing rhythm, her quiet, relentless consistency over many months.
2 months later, Sanjay started his own channel, this time about personal finance and career transitions, using the exact lessons Kavita had learned the hard way, with her now guiding him instead.
Their household went from one income neither of them fully trusted to 2 incomes built from skills nobody had taken seriously until they simply had no other choice left at all.
The real shift wasn't just financial. It was Sanjay finally understanding that not a real job often just means a job he hadn't bothered to actually do properly. So please support me, subscribe, like, and comment below. It really will motivate me to keep creating more interesting content just for you. If you'd like to learn how I create these AI animated videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying AI. I'll make tutorials.